Hi, this is Christopher. I'm a marketer. Over a year ago, I decided I wanted to create my own marketing series, and back then I didn't really know that much about graphic design, animation, website development, or studio platforms. That's when I came across Powtoon. Imagine watching a commercial that didn't make you want to buy whatever product it was promoting. Imagine a trailer that didn't make you want to see its movie. Imagine a classroom presentation that didn't make you retain any information. Today, I want to share with you a quick tutorial over Powtoon, but more importantly, I want you to think of the concept of a principle and a process, specifically in the art of communication. Effective communication is one of the most crucial skills any professional needs to have. You can have a great idea, but if you don't know how to transfer your idea into a captivating, informative, and memorable message, you won't build any connection. Having said all that, let's get into the awesomeness that is Powtoon. There are many tutorials for Powtoon, and I'll post some links in the description. Today, I want to talk to you about how I go about using Powtoon and how anyone can start their Powtoon journey. Like many online platforms, we start by visiting the Powtoon website. Signing up and using Powtoon is free, which is awesome, but you can also pay more for advanced features. Subscribing to a bigger package allows more features like longer videos, more animation clips, more sound files, and other awesome things. Powtoon offers a free trial that lets you use every feature for a short while. I highly recommend you watch this and a few other tutorials before starting it so you can get into creating awesome videos right away. Every time you log in, you will come to your Powtoon page. On the very top, you'll have some easy to use templates for quick, awesome presentations. You can also start from scratch with a blank Powtoon. On the very bottom will be a list of all the awesome Powtoons you create. Starting from scratch will bring you to your Powtoon studio. Okay, let's stop for 1 second and talk about some best practices in creating video content. Before any movie director starts filming, they take a good while to sit down and plan everything out, from the kind of themes they want to use to storyboard outlines. It's a good idea to create a process of how you go about creating video content. Before I start creating my marketing videos, there are several things I often think about: the purpose, the topic, the research, the structure, the script, and the attractiveness. Using Powtoon has its own process. Voiceover is always first, then adding various content to match what you are saying, and finally publishing your work. Content planning makes using Powtoon so much more effective. Content planning provides the why, and Powtoon provides the how. Now back to the Powtoon Studios. On the right side are the various types of content you can add to your Powtoon. You can add backgrounds, characters, text, shapes, animations, videos, and sounds. It's a simple click and move feature for most of the content. Keep in mind the content will vary depending on the subscription you purchase. On the left side is your slide panel. It will show you all the slides in your Powtoon. You can add, delete, or move slides in your presentation. Keep in mind there is a max of 20 seconds per slide. On the very bottom is your timeline. This is a visual representation of the flow of your current slide. Doing a voiceover first will allow you to match the content shown to what you are saying. You also have a sound control button where you can add your voiceover and also add music to your presentation. I recommend adding music as the last thing in creating your Powtoon. It's a good idea to get a feel of what type of music you want to add though. Powtoon offers many free tunes for your presentation, just like the one you are listening to right now. Finally, the middle part, the stage. This is where everything is happening. This is your presentation. The slide panel, timeline, sound control button, and tabs create everything here. I have been using Powtoon for just over a year, and I absolutely love this tool. Here are a few helpful tips I picked up along the way. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to content planning and the awesome presentation tool that is Powtoon. Thank you. Hi, this is Christopher. I'm a marketer. Thank you so much for watching my marketing videos. If you like what you saw, give us a like. If you didn't, tell us about it. Marketing is all about improving. For more great marketing content, be sure to share and subscribe. Thank you and happy marketing.